I just got in the new Rubbit EFOAM sprayer. What's interesting to me is I just got my Rubbit a little over a month ago, and you have to pump it, and you can get some spray out of it, and then you got to keep pumping it. It's a cool little device, but the pumping does get annoying. When they announced that they were coming out with an EFOAM sprayer, this came out 2 years after the product, so I got the product kind of late, but I'm so glad they came out with this. So I'm going to unbox it. This is all battery operated, lithium-ion battery in it, and you just charge it. You put your chemicals in there, and you spray, and no pumping. So this is what it looks like. Okay, and somewhere here there's the USB Type-C where you plug it in. I'm going to put it in the car, and I'm going to charge it, and it's been a little over a month and a half, almost 2 months since I used Rubbit on my truck. So here's the cap and the USB cable and the little mixture thing and the instructions. So I'm going to charge this up, and I'm going to clean the truck again tonight. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so here's the new EFOAM sprayer from Rubbit. There it is. And I'm about to go wash the taco and see how this is. Just a note, something that I missed last time is when you're doing the no water wash, you don't want to do circles. Somebody mentioned it in the comments, and then I actually read the instructions, and they do say to go into straight horizontal lines and not circles. So that's something I missed last time that I'm going to correct this time. So here we go. No pumping necessary. All right. I'm going to take this. Let it sit in for a few seconds. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Okay. Take the dry one and then dry it off. And now I don't have to do all of that pumping. All of that unnecessary pumping that I was doing before. So it would have been nice if I waited a little bit, a few weeks for the e-sprayer to come out. But I didn't know there was an e-sprayer coming out. So there it goes. I'm going to finish the rest of this video. So there she is. Nice and clean. Thanks to Rubbit. Might be time for a 6-month ceramic coat, but I'll save that for later. This stuff works really good, and I like how good it is for the environment. So I'm going to keep throwing money at them. I have a link in the description. I'll see you on the next video.